They followed me here. Forrest and Willow. Oh, did you two follow me? They follow me a lot. The crows and the ravens, some of them. I have two, I don't know, maybe about 50 of them. They like to track me. I don't know why. Maybe because I feed them. They like that. They love to be fed, and they love attention. And some of the finches follow me too. Hey you, did you two follow me? Hi sweeties, hi sweethearts. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again, sweetie. Do it again. Yeah, there's a doggy. The doggy wants to know what we're doing. I'm talking to the crowbirds. I love you, doggy. I love the squirrels too, but they seem to attack you, crows. And I don't like that one bit. Because I gotta protect my birds. You're my birds. I love you. I love my birds. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, look at you fly. Look at you. Look at Willow fly. Wow, she just took a dive. Look at you, Forrest. Wow, look at you. Wow, look at you two fly. I'm impressed. Wow. I love these birds. I love you, birds. I love you. I love my birds. I love you. Oh, you got a deep voice there. Wow, Forrest. Wow. Let's play. Let's play. Play. Do it back. Do it back, sweetie. Oh, come on. We do this all the time. But you're not going to do it now because you're on film? Is that why? Oh, come on. Let's see your talent. Come on, Forrest. You can do it. You can do it. I love you. I love you, Willow. Come here, Willow. Willow. Where's Willow? Come here. Oh, maybe they're spirits. Yeah, probably. Okay, well, I'm gonna go. Looks like they flew off.